Yo, 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 what's up with it? Goddamn it, boy. Back at it again. I just clocked out of my wagey job. Now I'm clocked in on Forex, you feel me? Grind doesn't stop. Consistently going in. So I'm on pocket options. I'm gonna widen the screen. Let's see, there we go. I have to stay like very still because every time I move, you could see like the background. It looks funny. Tap in and show me some love, goddamn it, boy. I got the same three up that I've been analyzing all fucking week and weekend. All last week. I'm gonna first I'm putting out I'm marking like the support and resistance. Well, support and resistance is really on a smaller time frame. On a larger time frame like this, 15 minute to hours, an hour, 4 hours charts, it's considered supply and demand. I mean, excuse me, I got it backwards. It's considered support. No wait. Yeah, it's considered support and resistance. And then on the other, on smaller time frame, it's supply and demand. I believe. Either or. Oh no, yeah. High time frame, 15 minute to hour. It is supply and demand. On lower frequency, like minute, 5 seconds, 50 seconds, it is support and resistance. You know what I'm saying? So this is a supplies demand, uh, smaller level support and resistance. There we go. So we look at an hour time frame. See, we're in the same little areas. We've got this key area. Got this key area. So we're gonna want to expect price to come down over here. This is our target area. We always have to have a target in mind, especially on a higher time frame. So we have like, that's like our bias. You know what I'm saying? You don't want to go against it. But although a lot of times the smaller time frame will contradict what's going on the larger time frame, vice versa. Oh yeah, that's what I was gonna say. I'm gonna freaking spark up a bowl, some motivation. Okay, now that we got this, we will drop down and analyze at a lower time frame. So this is 5 minutes. Could see that it went off of the demand, the top resistance, whatever. But it looks like it's gonna keep going back up. Like it just tested the middle line. One minute. We'll look at the 1 minute chart and start. We'll use our trend line. So that's kind of like our channel right here. So where we could like determine. This is where we could start placing like some entries. Because I'm pretty sure what it's gonna do is it's gonna hit this line. If it goes below it, it's gonna make a lower low. I'm pretty sure it's gonna just make a higher high and continue this trend. Cause see what's going on. 15 seconds. Yeah, see what's going on there. I'm gonna test the waters with $1 and try to scalp up. But you know what I'm saying? That's good momentum right there. Really good momentum. I'm probably gonna chase that trend with 5 buckaroos. I just have a feeling it's just gonna. But I can't trade off of just feeling. I gotta really analyze. Steak next. Well, I am actually. It's always good. Oh my freaking mouse is malfunctioning because how the fuck that? Son of a bitch. Fucking stupid ass fucking mouse. Fucking work, you dumb piece of shit. Back in. Okay, I got smacked out of those last trades. I felt like those two clicks were out of like emotion because I feel pissed off that I'm only at $18, $20. I need to chill. That's why I need to take a hit for type of motivation. Oh my god. Why did all of my lighters just fucking break? So what I did was I fucking did I did a 30-minute entry, a bearish 30-minute bearish entry for $5. And then so in the mix of all that, in the midst of all that, we'll check out the 5-second pattern and try to scalp up. Five-second pattern is just, you can't really, your analytics is going to be less accurate because there's really no like telling which way this shit's gonna fucking go. Because it'll just spike out of nowhere. Like, watch, I'll probably get smacked out of these two trades all at the last second. Nope, I didn't. I won those ones. Executed wonderfully. I should have anticipated a price reversal because the momentum was dying right here. That one smacked. It's this just also, I have to put into perspective is that this is only 88% payout. So for every dollar, you get 88-cent profit. That just got smacked. That got smacked. Smacked out brutally. So what it looks like it's doing right now is it's in accumulation stage, which is a phase. I mean, accumulation phase, not a stage. It's a phase. Something like a stage, but it's different. It's like a phase. Same difference. It's after an uptrend. No, it's yeah. This is actually a distribution phase because it's after an uptrend, and then because buyers buy, and then now it's being like the sellers are like overselling their shit, over like trying to overpower all the buyers. So that's why the price is just sideways market. So what I could anticipate is for price to come back up here and then revert. So it could pass it like this one did. But this is like a median right here. So it's breaking this structure. That's kind of good because that means I could oh shit. Yeah, that was a terrible entry. Unless it just spikes up out of nowhere. Okay, so see how it broke out? Now I don't want to enter mid. No matter how bad I want to, I have to wait for it to come back up here. And then I enter $3 going down. So it has to come back up and test. If it ever does come back up and test. I think now I think now I do it for bullish. I mean bearish right here. Come on, come on. That's $6. I'm getting smacked out. I'm getting smacked out. I'm getting smacked out. Oh, I got smacked out. 5 second is just, you know what I'm saying? Because if you look at what it's doing in 15 seconds, probably could have waited till it came back up here. I definitely should have waited. That's why 5 seconds is ass trading. Should have done. I went against my whole bias. I'm going 3 minutes downwards. Bullish. I mean bearish trade. So right now, let's see what's going on. Right now, I just gotta let that play out because if I try to scalp up with this $5, I'm gonna fucking lose it all and be pissed. I know it. But I'm hard headed, so I'm just gonna do it anyways. Come on, baby. Just kidding. That's what I like to see. Just follow the trend. That I could roll over, roll over, roll over, roll over. Oh, fuck, I missed it. When you roll it over, it makes it go the time a little bit longer, and then it rolls it over to $2. That first, this $5, I'm gonna roll it over. I'm kind of certain that that's gonna smack out. It's gonna smack. So what I pretty much did is this $5 one, I turned it into a $10 one, and it was gonna end like right here, but it rolled over and doubled up the time. This $3 one, I could probably double it up, but I don't have fucking $3 in my account right now because I just got smacked around on the market brutally. Brutally smacked around like a little sheep, like a little fucking what is it called? It's on the tip of my tongue. Like a peasant. I got my little $1 bills taken like a little peasant in this big fucking ocean of corporate giants that have the buying power to actually make the market move, and I don't have that power. But I make entries, and I suck at life. No, honestly, I've seen profits hit my account. I just don't have the discipline to fucking pull out when I'm up. That's my problem. So like I see the potential. I know the money's here. I know it's there. It's like I know I've studied a lot and I know the right things. It's just implementing fucking discipline, manage budgeting and management, money management, all that shit. I just get too I get too in the zone and I try to fucking blow my account up to fucking 50 racks, yo. On mamas. You know the music video from Young Thug, Relationships? Like I want to be like that. After everything's already all taken care of, everybody's all taken care of. Then I'm gonna be on a fucking big ass yacht with 50 bad bitches, and I'm not interested in any of them. They're just all eye candy, and I'm just enjoying my time. Just yeah, you know what I'm saying? That's the type of player pimping shit I want to be on. But I gotta fucking install some discipline to fucking pull out profits when I make them instead of trying to blow up my account like I do on my demo account like 50 times. So, in all reality, if I just stay persistent, I get angry at myself, I talk shit, and then I fucking install some type of discipline where I withdraw or I take my profits and put them into a safe. Just like I did today, I was on stake and I did a $20 deposit and I was playing the mines. I was playing mines and tell me why I came up like 100 and something dollars quickly. Like I fucking withdrew like 60 something bucks and I left the other money in the account and I was like, okay, now I'm gonna scalp up from there. Now I gotta start. I have to play like I was playing in the beginning instead of trying to like, oh, now that I have this funds, I'm gonna place my bed higher and then try to fucking blow it up. Like, no, stay with the same mindset as I was trying to blow it up in the beginning and just play it like that the whole way instead of fucking man. This is like a whole like you have to be fucking strategic on every little fucking entry or you get smacked out by corporations. On here on stake that was just me. That was That's because I'm super. I started losing when I went against my bias. I I started making these trend lines and drawing a channel when like that's totally against like my whole like training regiment like that I've been going through. Like that's like not what I was supposed to do. lonely stoner seems to free his mind at night. He's all alone through the day and night. I think that's like a double top or head and shoulders at the 5 minute. But when you drop down to a whole different when you like you might see like a fucking badass pattern, then you drop down to a different time frame and it's just all like you could really see what it is going on in there. Hey, today after work I had a freaking badass skate session. I was just like I went in. Then I got kicked out by security. It sucked. But I don't know. I think it's because he saw me fall all brutally, and I just got up and was like about to hit skated again, and he was like, "Hey, like, nah, you gotta leave." I'm like, "My bad." If like I'm advanced, nah, just kidding. If my athleticism is outlandish. You know what? It's Monday, so the markets are open on MT5. So I'm gonna also I'm gonna jump on MT5 as well. I envision what I envision. I envision. I envision. I envision. I envision. I'm gonna make it happen. My psych or whatever, like my perception on what I just placed was that these candles right here, they're red, obviously. Well, they're losing momentum of the buying power. So See, this closed out on the higher part. So in reality, that's a bullish candle because this closed out on the top over here and the wicks over here. So this is considered like it was still buying power, but it was way below these two. So that was gave me that signal that it was losing its buying power. I mean, it's selling power. It's lost its selling power, so it's I mean, it's lost its buying power. Boom, that's out going upwards, so it lost its selling power. So now it's gaining selling power. Boom, 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 boom. Da 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 da. Now yeah, this how it closed out up here, and it closed out up here, and it closed out up on the higher part. That made me that signified that it was still momentum was still at buyers. Because even though these are sell red and that there are sellers, they closed out up here at the top. They closed out more on this top. You know what I'm saying? Probably still get smacked out of it, but still, these candles. I don't know. I have faith in these ones. Ah, la chingada, way my freaking motivation fell out. That was see how I had like kind of called that. I like how my my perception of it and my entry, like it played in my favor and it worked. And everything I explained, like it worked. I mean, it could spike down at the last fucking second. Don't get me wrong, it can do that. But for the most part, like I feel like that smacked it. I need consistent trades like that, where they're all like detailed, all like with my whole perception of why I entered it. So like I could rewatch that shit and be like, oh, okay, so that's how it did it. Oh, that's good. Using technical analytics. Wow. Wow, this is great. What the hell? Wow. Yeah, yeah, man. Yeah, this is great. Yeah. So now I have to wait for another entry signal. What I trade off of, that was what I entered off of, was the resistance, like support and resistance. So and when I saw that price was like at its lowest point of rejection and about to like revert back into its trend, that's when I had placed the entry and I timed it right. It was like, what was it, a 5 minute entry? So I need like to fucking smack on more of those, dude. I swear I need that shit, man. I need that shit. Looking ass boy. Does it look like I do 500 push-ups every morning? Hold on. Let me really put this in perspective. A la verga, Holmes. The lag is real on the green. Damn it, boy. Look like a toothpick. I look like I did 2 push-ups and gave up and said, I'm gonna go whack off. In existence. The mic, I mean, the fucking mouse is fucked up. I'm going for it. They say scary money don't make money. Yeah, but after I blow this, Like I'm not gonna like redeposit more and then try again until like what tomorrow. Yeah, it's a battle. It's a battle. I trust the process. I'm in it. I'm in this. I'm in this with all the studying, all the early morning Joe cup of Joe sips, all the late night freaking Joe sips and studying, all the daytime freaking. Yeah, but tune in next for after this. I'm gonna be going live on Stake to gamble. Right now, I'm using my actual brain. Right now, I'm actually using analytics. I mean, you could use strategy and in stake, like the way you leverage and manage your money, and yeah, it all kind of goes hand in hand with everything, like money management and all that shit. I mean, there's people that manage it so well that they gamble full time, like literally. There's people that manage it so well that they day trade full time. Me, I'm trying to fucking pop. I'm trying to pop somewhere so I could have the fucking capital to be able to leverage one of these accounts and like either one of my gambling accounts or this freaking pocket options account to where I would be able to just like have place a 1% trade and then be like place like 5 1% trades and like win two and be like, okay, I made profit for the day, or I made enough to be okay, or like type shit, hit 3 out of 5 and be like, okay, yeah, I'm done for the day. To where it's like nothing. I'll just play fucking Roblox. So, eat pizza rolls, GMOs, Monsanto. No, just kidding. It looks like that's what I'm gonna be able to afford after I lose out on all this money is Monsanto food. And the the $4 one got smacked out. Yeah, that $4 trade got smacked out. This $14 one's probably gonna get smacked out. You know, the whole psych and mind state was kind of there. I just timed the entries wrong, like really wrong. That's my fault. I don't know how to time it right. That's why I'm learning how to use MT5 because you could use stop loss and yeah, because I'd be missing out on a lot of my shit. Like the whole mindset and the whole thing, it goes in the direction where assume it would, but I time it wrong and I placed the wrong time entry. Well, that's this one actually I rolled over. So half of this would have been like right here. I think I would have got smacked out. Either or. I'm pretty sure. I can't even be pretty sure of anything. Can't be sure of shit on this market. You can have all your fucking shit set up precisely. Like, okay, the market's here. And it's here. And it went here. And it's here, right here. And over here. So I'm sure it's gonna be here. No. There's no being sure it's gonna be anywhere, dude. Shit's fucking shit's just like I'm gonna be a stupid, naive asshole and be like, it's just like steak. This is exactly like steak. No, it's not like steak to a certain extent. The money management part and the leverage and everything, how you do all that, and the emotions, it's kind of the same. It's the same. Okay. But when it comes to like um can't be sure of anything on this market. That's for sure. That was a double negative. Right in the dead center. In the dead center of it. Like, why would I place the entry in the whole like middle? This was a resistance. I should have waited for it to get here and then place the entry. Whatever. I suck at this. So with these last $2, I'm gonna speed scalp it or speed lose. Speedy. Speedy analytic. Ooh. And that's how you get smacked. And that is how you get smacked around in the market. Yeah. And that, my folks, friends, and people, girls, and gals. And now that, and and now that is how you lose your money. That's how you lose all your hard work earnings in a matter of minutes. That is how you lose 3 days worth of work in 15 minutes. And now I'll be showing you guys how to lose a whole weeks worth of tips in 5 minutes. Oh, Ed, you a fool. I'm in it. I'm in it to win it. Uh, I'm about to lose out in half a minute. Just kidding. The fuck? Did I just make a fucking dollar? Can I just fucking make a fucking dollar when if a motherfucking goddamn need a motherfucking dollar? I need a goddamn dollar, goddamn it. About to get smacked out the market. Watch. Yeah. Come on. Keep me in the game. Let me go. Let me make some. Let me show you some. Let me let you hold on to the dollar after I make 10. Hold up. Watch out. Let go. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Ozarka, proud Texan. Water. I could understand charts better. I'm just kidding. Come on, baby. Let me smack that trade one time. Let me smack that trade. Hell yeah. You got a new follower on TikTok. She's a smoking hot model. Yo, Just kidding. I'm about to get smacked out the market. After this, I'm going live on stake. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. Mother. Watch me get smacked out of target options. Oh, that hoe looks fire. That boy put a monster in a slushing machine. Making a monster slushie. That's a tweaker fluid. Hell no. No. I needed money fast. Straight. It should be the first left of here. There we go. All right, let's go pull in. What if I told you that your business could be missing out on a tax credit? Pull up to the scene with my cylinder missing. Pull up to the scene with my cylinder missing. Pull up to the scene with my cylinder missing. Pull up to the scene with my cylinder missing. That boy did a whole life hack on TikTok. Why is this fucking mouse doing that again? Wanna drop kick this shit to oblivion. Oh my god. Why? Why the fuck? Are you serious? Do I really got the old faithful? I, this one's cool. Mic because my mic lights up, so it kind of goes cool. It matches, and it's cheap bullshit, but I like it because I spent my monies on it. So we got a couple more minutes till I get smacked out that trade. Uh, I'm gonna jump off soon. All right, so I'm at the last smackaroo where I get smacked out. Let me get one last pick of my nose. One last nose pick. And that's it, folks. Get smacked out the market. You really all time trading history? I could show y'all. Like, just give me 1 second. Hold on. That one's about to get closed out. Let's wait for that to get smacked. Got smacked in the face with that trade. And any second now, I'm going to be getting smacked out that market. Brutally. Brutally. There we go. So, I'll show y'all my, what is it called? Oh, yeah. My all-time trading history. Let me go to it real quick. Okay, this is just hurtful. Look, let me show y'all. Okay. This is today. I lost $40. So my all-time trading profits is negative $2,094. That's how much I have spent in this account. My net turnover is 37,062. 32 $37,062. That's fucked. How all that money's just been like pretty much ran through my account and I didn't pull out my profits at all. I lost it all. That's terrible. I'm not a profitable trader. This is like don't like when you see me live on here, do not take my advice as some type of like financial advice or anything like trading advice, because obviously if you look at all this, This will show you that I suck at trading. This is so I opened the account September 2021. So I started losing money. Deposited like $300. Deposited like another 100, lost that. Deposited like $20, lost that. Deposited like 70, lost it. All like within the time with all this. See, like it never hit profits. I've never, like there'll be a time like right here. I was already down $1,000, and I put in 100. I put in 100, and I freaking came out. I had like 100 and I don't know. I didn't pull out though. I remember I had came up like a couple $100 and I didn't pull it out and I lost it around this time. That's how you see the price like shoot. This is only from March 23rd to April 23rd. That's a whole fucking $600, $700, like a whole $1,000. Like look. Since February 14th. Look at this. From 1,200 and all that I've lost within these past 3 months that I've deposited. So over $1,000, dude. So in like within these past October, November, December, January, February, March, April, over these past 7 months, I've lost $2,000. 2,103 to be exact. $2,103.31. This is not the time that I need to be losing money at all. I'm supposed to be like fucking making money, like especially April. Like this is like around my kid's birthdays. Like that's the whole reason why I made such a big lump sum deposit. I made $250 deposit on last Monday. And I blew it up to $500 and then fucked it up. I blew it all. I didn't have the discipline. It always comes down to the same fucking shit. 1,900, 2,030, 2,020, 2,050, 2,103. What trips me out the most is that within this little short time period, I had deposited and lost more than these past 4 months combined. Because these past 4 months, it was only $730 that I had from September. Well, that's 22nd, January 23rd. Oh, okay. So that's 3 months, 4 months, $730 in these months. And then from this time to this time, It was a whole like $1,200, $1,300, $1,250 around that within January to April. I stopped drinking around December. I stopped drinking around December. I'm just like in awe. This shit shocks me. Like how I was over here like at fucking $1,000 the negative, and I'm still adding money, trying to like fucking like come up here, like still studying on a daily. Like through all these months, like I've been studying these past fucking 7 months. These past 7 months, I've been studying, study, all within these days, brutally, a lot of fucking studying, a lot of fucking staying up. Around this October, November, around let's see, December, January, and like early February, I was fucking homeless. I was on the streets, sleeping on the streets. At first I was couch hopping. My sister kicked me out, and then I was like freaking homeless. So I slept on the street, and I went to the gym, worked out, shit, shower, shave, studied, went to work, studied at work, got out, made trades. In the middle of the night, made trades. I stopped drinking before I had got kicked out. Like way before I had got kicked out, I had stopped drinking, and that was like a test. It was like, oh, okay, you're gonna fucking go and drink now that you're kicked out. No, like that wasn't like that. Didn't have any urge, any thought. Like I was already destined. My mind, or like not destined. My mind state was on different, different. Like I was already through with the alcoholism, and I was already seeing the dark side of it. And now I'm just like I was waking up to things, a lot of things, and I stayed homeless. I was working, got a spot, still fucking deposited money, studying, trading, studying, studies, trade, study. I even around this time I subscribed to a resume that was like $80, and I was like over here 1,400 around this time, May 22nd, probably around May something, yeah, March. I mean March 20 something. I subscribed to some resume. It was like $60 to teach me fundamentals. I mean, like technical analysis, different their regimen, their trading style that they've seen profit on. So I got that perspective. I did start seeing little changes on my account. See, from right here, I was at 1,540 to 1,500 and 400, whatever. Like I had came up $250. No, I had deposited 250 and I came up 500, and I ended up fucking it off and losing it all, trying to come up more. Like I'll have a good run, I'll have a good streak, and then I'll just lose it. But yeah, I'm about to jump off this, and I'm about to jump right back on. So we'll see you in a bit.